Thank you for visiting my channel. Look what I got. Today we are unboxing motorcycle 3-in-1 switch. I was going on a bike ride to Spiti and Kaza on my KTM 390 adventure. I wanted to add some additional lights as it gets dark after 6:30 in hilly region. I already had the lights which I purchased many years ago. I just needed the switch which is easily accessible while I'm on the road. I purchased this 3-in-1 motorcycle switch online through Amazon. The packaging seems to be fine from outside. The product came packed in a Ziploc bag, and I don't see any scratches or any damages on the product. Also, the switches seems to be working fine. I will share more details about this product in my future videos. Till then, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.